scared, but are you okay? Just tell me you're okay. Just calm down.
Give me 2 minutes, man. I
understand.
I get my bearings about me.
Freak out of me too.
The biker wanted to use this platform to say that he wants this clip to help remind people to not drive with distractions and watch what's right in front of them. Look twice, save a life. Both the biker and the driver were good sports about it. Kudos to them.
So it's like arms room does. I think the arms rooms don't just go off by themselves. And they're behind coded doors that are.
This is why I always advise against cut-throughs. The driver was not sure if it was clear to proceed, and he went ahead anyways and was rammed into by oncoming traffic and was found at fault. Had he made a legal U-turn ahead, this could have been easily prevented.
Yeah, just gotta get people to go through.
The sedan driver just froze when he heard the ambulance, and the van driver behind him was not expecting the sudden stop, which caused the accident. Always stay alert and try to pull over safely when you see an emergency vehicle.
The reason why you were backing up?
Reason why you're right up. Stop. And boom.
Well, I have it all on camera, so
That's fine.
The dump truck driver blindly reverses and rams right into the camera. Thankfully, the camera had his dash cam rolling. The drivers tried to pin it on the camera but got obliterated when he pulled the dash cam card on them.
Yeah, I know a lot of stuff. I mean, I graduated as a computer engineer.
Oh, okay, like comp sci and stuff.
Yeah.
Whoa! Oh, that person's an idiot. I saw that. He just totally drove back into you. Alright, well, you got a witness. This person's stupid.
I have him on camera.
The driver blindly reversed and booked it. Unfortunately, the camera was a victim of a hit and run. He did the right thing though by not pursuing, because you never know if the person you're chasing is dangerous or not. He's still currently waiting on insurance decision.
Dude, what is wrong with you? One car's not gonna hurt. One car's not gonna hurt you, brother. Are you kidding me? You ain't getting in front of me. I'm gonna run right here. You ain't getting in front of me. Good. Nice job. Nice job. Nice job. Wow. Good job. Wow. Good job, bro.
The impatient driver was clearly too busy to wait and cuts off the camera to get ahead by a whopping 1 car. The impatient driver is so caught up in his obliviousness, he rear-ends the car in front of him and is found at fault. Karma at its best. Cruiser driver blatantly runs a red light and causes oncoming traffic to slam right into them. The PT Cruiser was at fault and both cars were totaled. Thankfully though, everyone was okay. Mazda driver was speeding and cutting cars off. Moments later, a vigilante construction vehicle runs him off the road. Thankfully, everyone involved was okay, but it is interesting to note that the Mazda driver did get out of the car and run into the woods. The camera had to yield to oncoming traffic and failed to do so. He was at fault for the collision. I know, you're probably asking yourself, whoa, did DDS not side with the camera? And the answer to that is a shocking yes. The red car driver failed to check his mirrors and blind spots merging into the lane and panic reacted the last second, causing the spin out. It's a miracle no accident occurred. Always check your sides and blind spots. Both drivers reversed at the same time and hit each other at the same time. Since this was on private property and not on a public road, the liability was split 50-50. Do you think that was fair? Let me know down below.
Maybe he did it, maybe he didn't. Nonetheless, apparently in his mind, that doesn't. Well, first of all, the Saudis are not going to somehow completely pivot.
That guy's gotten in an accident.
Military supplies trade. But having said that,
The truck driver failed to check his blind spots, changing lanes, and hit the car in the next lane, and then earned himself some hit and run charges. Thankfully, the camera sent in the footage to the local authorities.
Haven.com/art. Cove Haven. Love lives here. Minimum stay required. Restrictions may apply. See website for details.
With somebody who loves me.
Alexa, play Whitney Houston.
Okay.
Truck driver bullies his way into the lane and makes it a point to not yield to the BMW driver, hitting him. Most, if not all the time, just yielding to someone saves you many headaches. It's not worth upsetting yourself or risking your car. The turning driver failed to yield to oncoming traffic, causing the sedan to plow right into him, totaling the vehicles. If it's not safe to proceed, please do not risk it.
I'm taking pictures of the park because that's where I used to grow up.
Yeah, it's a little weird though when there's just kids there and you're taking pictures like behind the bushes.
I was taking pictures behind the bushes, like I thought I would I came from the path for the school. I used to go there, Brooks Elementary.
Okay, but regardless, when there's little kids playing, don't be taking pictures.
I'm not taking pictures of the kids.
But okay, can you show me that?
There are a lot of pictures, but by the way, say that to the camera, please. You're on the camera. Bye.
I don't care.
Okay, but say bye. Say it to YouTube.
The camera was not doing anything wrong. He came back to his hometown to take pictures of his childhood school, and this lady harassed him and called the cops on him. Kudos to the camera for keeping his cool. And not only that, he attached the pictures so you could see for yourself what kind of pictures he took. Were they questionable? I don't think so.